Hello guys, and welcome back to another House of Cramel video. I am Cramel. Today I'm going to take a moment to show you how I made this simple balloon garland for my son's second birthday party. You guys, when I tell you this intimidated me a lot, it really did, but it actually was pretty easy, and I'm going to show you just how I did it. So let's get right into it. Tip number 1, purchase a kit. This will make your life easier. You can do this without a kit. You just really don't know how many balloons you'll need. If you're really creative and have done this before, obviously you can do this, but I'm speaking more to the balloon garland amateur here. If you go to Amazon, and I'm pretty sure other different types of party supply sites, you can buy these balloon garland kits. I did purchase mine from Amazon. The link is below in the description box. Now this kit did come with some instructions. They were very helpful. I have purchased the kit once before, but there were no instructions, and I could tell the balloons were really thin and cheap, so I didn't end up using it. Alright, another game-changing tip: purchase an electric balloon inflator. It will save you and your breath and make this process go by very quickly. You can find them very inexpensive. Like I said, on Amazon, I want to say they sell them at stores like Party City also for as low as $20. I really don't know how I would have done this manual, even with a manual pump. The electric balloon pump or inflator really saved my life and my time. So guys, get the inflator. Moving on to the next tip: make sure you use a balloon knotter. Now, you may see a balloon knotter come with either the balloon inflator or even come with some of the kits that you purchase that have the ready to go balloon garland. Right here, I'm going to do a little slow motion so you see how to knot it. You wrap the bottom of the balloon around the finger-like protrusion on it, and then you bring the knot under just like you would if you were tying it on your finger. See there? And then you just pull it off and secure the knot. When I tell you this saves your fingers from hurting and just from a full night of just having achy fingers and wanting to stop, it's a lifesaver. All right, my next tip: make sure your kit has the strips. You can purchase, usually these come with the kit that you purchase, but you can buy them separately. It's a clear strip, and make sure you get the ones that have that double hole. So the larger hole is where you insert the bottom of the balloon, and then you slide it over to the smaller hole. This design secures the balloons so that they don't just come out of the strip. That way you're creating a secure balloon garland. And all you do is continue to repeat this step until you reach your desired balloon garland length. You are only as limited as long as the length of your balloon strip. Honestly, you can cut them. It's really just a piece of plastic with those holes in it, and it's super easy. So you just keep going, keep putting the balloons in, and they fall into place. And guys, the way I secured the balloon garland to the wall is I tied some string around the strip, and I made some loops, and I taped that loop to the wall. There's a lot of different ways you could probably do that. If you're using an arch, attach it to the arch, but just tie some string and make it long so that you can figure out where you want to hang or attach it on whatever you're going to use. All Alright, so here is my finished product. It took me about an hour and a half to complete this. This was my very first balloon project. I'm pretty sure I could have shaved at least 30 minutes off of this if I had more experience with this. But even an amateur can complete a professional work of art with this balloon garland. That's it, guys. That's all I have to show you. It's really that simple. This is just a simple one-string balloon garland. Please let me know if you like this video. If I do something like this again, I can definitely share. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and like this video. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.